Good morning, Mario. So today we're working on your IEP goal number 1. So let me take you there. This is the objective. The goal up here is the English language, arts, and reading, and we're working on objective number 1. So this is a sounds and letters make from E through K. I think we're in K and L right now. So you're going to be able to see the letter and some pictures to it. Okay, so here we go. This is the first letter, K. K. The K sound is K, 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 K. Just like, let's see this. Remember, you're going to name the pictures and you're going to circle them. This is a kite, kite. Does it start with a K? Kite. Mushroom, the next one. Moon. No, I'm sorry. Cookie. Ear. That's what it looks like. Queen. Koala. Mop. Clown. Kangaroo. Ketchup. Key. So circle the ones that start with the letter K. And if you don't know which ones start, name them. And if you hear the sound K, K, that means it's with the K. The next one is the L. L. L, L, L. So let's start. Cat. This is a ladybug. Slice. Leaf. Spider web. Lamp. And lemon. So circle the ones that start with the L sound. Now your goal number 2 is also it's also English language, arts, and reading, and it's still objective number 1. So we're going to go over what we did last time, the words. Okay, this one, funny, cat, go, good, have, he, help, here, I, in, into, is, it, like, little, look, make, me, must, my, new, no, one, other, our. So these are the letters that you're supposed to be reading. So make sure, Mario, please, that you read them several times a day. Sound them out and say the words. And this is what you have for today. So I only need 2 worksheets from you, were the previous ones, which is this one, the L, and the K. That's what you need to submit for today. So once you're finished, you can upload them to Teams, and if you can't, send them to me and I'll upload them for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me. So let's get started.